the grocery store. Second time it does this. It just keeps fucking cranking. Stuck at the grocery store. It won't start.